Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm going to show you what I ate in a day on lazy keto eating. You can see my full day of lazy keto eating and easy keto. What you eat in a day on lazy keto, coming up next. Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode I'm going to show you a full day of lazy keto eating. What do I eat on a full day of lazy keto eating? We're going to dive right into easy keto and lazy keto, but first, this video is sponsored by farmfoodsmarket.com. They are the best resource for delivered grass-fed beef. I was so excited when I got my beef delivery to my house as a busy mom, but before I dive into all of that, let me show you what I ate in a full day of lazy keto eating coming up next. Oh, and if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. I see many of you are watching this and have not subscribed to my channel, so make sure you go click down below and click the bell too. Oh, and if you're liking this video, put in the comments below lazy keto eating so I know to do more videos just like this one. So for lunch, we're going to have mock Big Macs, and we're gonna keto-fy our Big Macs to make our lazy keto eating super simple. And one of my lazy keto ways that I do is a lazy keto lunch, and it's gonna be a Big Mac. It's basically gonna be my farmfoodsmarket.com beef that I got. The Count's gonna grill up the patties. We're gonna put some cheese on them, put some Thousand Island. If you use 1 tablespoon, it's 2 net carbs. Please note that Thousand Island dressing does have soybean oil, the ones that I consume from Aldi, but I'm okay with that. But just so you're conscious in your decision making, to be aware that soybean oil in dressings is inflammatory, and that it's not the best ingredient to have, but I really, really want a Big Mac. So I really want a Big Mac, and this is my solution to having a Big Mac. So let me show you what I ate on my lazy keto eating lunch. So my honey's gonna make, hopefully my honey will make, on the grill, the farmfoodsmarket.com, the grass-fed beef. He's gonna throw those on the grill to make hamburgers today. Of course, Bobby, keto or low-carb hamburgers. For lunch, for a keto lunch, and then for our keto dinner, having their ribeye they sent. I'm so excited. The meat is juicy, it's thick, it looks amazing. We're gonna put a little seasoning on it. Super, super stoked for an awesome keto day.
Are you guys getting the grill set up? Oh boy.
Yummy in your tummy? You love it? Did farmfoodsmarket.com taste delicious? Yes, they're so good. Here's mine. I'm making mine a Big Mac. I'm gonna put some Thousand Island dressing on it. This does have soybean oil and it does have 4 net carbs, but this is a special treat because I really wanted to make my burger a Big Mac, and adding some pickles to the side of it. So that's gonna be mine. And then this is my honey's.
What's happening?
Didn't that look amazing? It was so freaking good. So freaking good, so simple. And also, guys, that's a great leftover for the next day. You have that for lunch, to have it again for dinner, or to have it for lunch the next day also, because burgers easily keep. We usually make double. We just didn't have time today to do it, but normally we do. Hey guys, if you want to get an order of your farmfoodsmarket.com for 10% off order, go down in the description link below or in the comments. I put the link. Super simple to get your delivery straight to your house with the grass-fed beef with no antibiotics. I also saw that the Farm Foods Market, when they deliver to when they have a cow that needs to get sick, they bring a vet onto the premises, or they bring a vet onto the farm, and he gives the cow the steroids if needed, and then that meat is sold at regular farmers market. It's not sold within their no steroids, no antibiotics meat. So just an amazing added benefit of farmfoodsmarket.com of how they really care for their grass-fed cows prior to us consuming them. It's really, really, I dig this company so much. I'm so excited. In fact, I'm so excited. I'm buying my whole family their Christmas gifts is going to be farmfoodsmarket.com. That will be their Christmas gifts because I believe so strongly in this product for my own family. And so for your family, if you want delivered beef, steak, ribeyes, a ton of different assortments of amazing grass-fed quality beef, go put an order in and get your 10% off. We're deal shoppers here. 10% off is amazing for grass-fed beef. Hello. I know I'm gonna be stocking up for my family and for my friends. And family, if you're watching for Christmas, just plug your ears. You didn't hear that. So do you ever have those days where you just don't want to do anything? That's my day today. like there's all this stuff over here. I need to pick up all my son's toys or whatever and get everything organized. And I really just don't want to do it. Like I don't want to do it. I'm going to make myself do it. I'm going to put on an awesome podcast or some fun music and jam out. But here's what I'm looking at. Messy, 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 messy. So I'm going to hop to it, get some body movement in, knock it out. And I'll feel so much more happier once it's all picked up. So, woo, cheering myself on. Woo!
Our house. This Grandpa Grandpa's.
Oh, and you went around their house for a parade?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Do you have a Beatle shirt on?
Mm-hmm.
Who's your favorite Beatle?
All of them.
All of them?
I like this one.
You like that one?
And this one. And this one. And this one.
That's a sweet shirt. So I'm super stoked. My new jam is mint hot tea. Yes, now that it's gotten a little bit cooler outside, mint hot tea is my jam. You can add coconut oil into it. You can add some butter into it, some grass-fed butter. But I'm super excited to have my mint tea. I'm pumped for it. It's like my little afternoon treat, and it's delicious. Glorious. It's so good. So, so good. My boy needs to get his wiggles out. Is any other mamas out there? Do you feel me about the wiggles? We're going to be wiggle worm getter outers. That's what our objective is right now. Is go outside and get some of these wiggles out before bedtime. Pork chop, come on. What are you doing?
This is what Daddy's picking up there, and he's picking up the poop.
Is Daddy picking up dog poops?
Huh?
Daddy's a good daddy, isn't he?
And Dad's got real, so we take a little walk.
Oh, he can get a little walk. Sweet. Are you excited for dinner tonight?
Yes, please. I'm ready for dinner.
You're ready for dinner?
No, the Jackie's already did. The mom, dad is just like.
Yeah, I'm ready for dinner too. I am hungry. Bring on the food. So for our lazy keto eating, continuing along for easy keto, our lazy keto dinner is going to be the farmfoodsmarket.com. The ribeye, it's a bone-in ribeye. Maron, it's so good. And side tip, you could save that bone and make bone broth in it in your Instapot. See mine behind me? There's mine. You can easily keep that bone and then make it for bone broth later on, which I totally am gonna do. Just take the extra bone, put it in your freezer, and then I've done other videos on how you make bone broth. You can either make it in the crock pot or your slow cooker, but slow cooker in Instapot is awesome. But here's the ribeye steak that we had for dinner with a side salad.
Good. This way.
So we just put the olive oil on top of it, a whole bunch of it, and now we're just putting some steak seasoning on top of it. Duke's gonna help us. It's a family affair here with our burgers and our steaks. Dog approved. This looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up. Yes, that's right. Here comes the other one. I'm gonna cut it up. There's a bone in it, and I'm just gonna cut it up for my family, and we're gonna have dinner. Super, super simple, and we're gonna have a side salad with it too. This was so easy and delicious, and it looks amazing. My husband cut the interior, which was his error, but it looks completely perfect. I'm so excited to eat it. It was so amazing. It was so fatty, but so perfect. Their beef, you can really tell, is a higher quality. If I compare our grocery store beef that's grass-fed versus this, total flavor comparison, the farmfoodsmarket.com beef is amazing. Grass-fed beef is amazing. And the reason why y'all grass-fed beef and why I'm so excited about it, that I'm grabbing my hair, is that grass-fed beef it's not substituted, say, with like corn, where the cows are eating corn. What happens when things eat corn? It's inflammatory, right? Like that's the whole thing about keto. And that's why having grass-fed is the best possible thing. Of course, we always say you can't afford grass-fed meat, do the best that you can afford, but farmfoodsmarket.com makes 10% off discount to make their meat more affordable and to be delivered to your house. So you can parcel it out and be really, really smart about your food planning. You'll know food planning is my jam. That is how our family totally does our keto budget. So I would strongly encourage to place an order for 10% off. But I loved particularly their ground beef logs that they have, or their patties, or their steaks. Like I said, I'm getting my whole family the Farm Foods Market. That's what their Christmas gifts are gonna be. I believe in it that strongly. For you to make that statement out of integrity, it must be freaking amazing. So make sure you give this video a like, make sure you click subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure you put below lazy keto eating in the comments so I know to do more videos just like this one. And I'm so excited to go build our fire pit too. That is also on the agenda as well.
I'm looking at the fire.
Look.
It's beautiful.
Taking a little pause for life. Do you guys ever do that? Taking a little pause for life. I'm watching Sherlock Holmes. I've watched part 1, and now I watched part 1 over a series of days, but I'm watching part of part 2 while my little boy's with a babysitter. So just getting caught up on some relaxation time. Seriously, this movie is so good. Do you guys like this movie? Put in the comments below if Sherlock Holmes, if you like it. I love this movie, and I love, what's the lead guy's name? Robert Downey Jr. He is fabulous. So freaking funny. Anyways, I had to take a pause to share my Sherlock Holmes moment because I'm really digging in and loving it. And of course, having some Perrier while I'm watching the movie as well. Oh, guys, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and click the little bell below so you get notifications every time I get a new video coming out. It's the pork chop cam. Every time I film, it's the pork chop cam. He knows. Mama's filming, I gotta come eat and interrupt the shot. How long do you wait for your dog eating its dog food before you start talking again? What's the average time? I don't know. Just keep waiting while he keeps munching over there. So I know to do.